starting this vlog from Ebebe Junction. Today we are driving to Nkaliki. Okay, so as you're moving, this road is always a very busy road because of the trucks, and there's a Chinese company ahead where they sell stones and lots of things. So that's why this road is always very, very busy. Okay, if you take this route now, you're going to St. Patrick's, Piri. That's for those of you that know that side. This is Piri markets. Okay, this is how Piri markets is. This road is called Obaga Road. Okay, and this particular road, as you're going straight, you're going to meet stadium roundabout, stadium itself, Abakaliki Township Stadium. Okay, and guys, this is Igweja Junction. This place is called Igweja Junction. Here you get buses that are going to Ebonyi local government inside. Yes, Abakaliki, bikes, keke, anything you want. If you're going to my 50, you can take the other route. You can still take these routes that I'm taking right now. See, these people are coming back from the stadium. You know, you can see people going home. They finish keeping fit. This is Abakaliki Township Stadium. Okay. Let's see what is happening inside the stadium on a Saturday morning. The stadium is locked. It did not stop people from enjoying themselves. So guys, from stadium, you can see that the stadium is locked because of the COVID-19 rules and regulations, but still people are coming to keep fit. So from the stadium we drove down and we came to the dance roundabout. This is the dance roundabout, and we took our right going to Iza Road. Now this is Iza Road. I'm not going to show it. I have a video of Iza Road if you want to watch it. And then we came down to Presco Junction. This is Iza Road Court at Presco Junction. Then from Presco Junction by the right we took this road. So we are going to cover this vicinity, all right, around this Presco campus, and then we'll go to Nkaliki side and you see how it is in this vlog. All right guys, in the Presco campus, the side that is for natural sciences, there you will see that it looks deserted. I heard that students are no longer there for the past 2 years, but soon our next vlog we are going to go to Palm site and you see where the students went to. They said they are now in Palm site, so we are going to go to Palm site so that you see how it is and you see the new location of Ebonyi State University, how it looks. Okay, so we came down. This is how this area looks. We came down to this area now. We are going to drive around so that you can see how the vicinity looks. This is Ebonyi State. Keep watching, okay? From the comments in my previous video, I've noticed some like the gospel music, some don't like the gospel music that I'm playing. So I'm going to look for some other music and play. But this music is from Mabi, in case you like it. She started a new YouTube channel. She's a new musician. I don't know, gospel artist. I don't know if she's really new anyway, but I just met her newly and she gave me that disc, so I'm playing it. I really hope you guys will enjoy it, but if you don't enjoy it, please don't mind. I'm going to play another song next time. If you know Ebonyi State very well, you agree with me that this is student area, as in student area because of the Presco campus, but because the school is gradually moving to Palm side, you can see the population of the place is diminishing, okay? And then you also agree with me that Ebonyi State is really developing very fast. Okay, we drove down from Presco and then the first street again. By our right anyway, we took the store and this is where we are, okay? And after this street, we drove into Nkaliki side. Yes, this is the Nkaliki street, that's the area per se. Yes, so and this is what the major road that led to Nkaliki. There are other roads, so but this one is the major one. So we are coming in from there. This one is from Sperandu. Yes, so we are coming in from there. We are going to drive to where it ends. This Nkaliki road ended at I think at Abakaliki local government headquarters. That's where the Tide road ended. You're going to see how it looks in 2021. And meanwhile, this is the old area, as in this is the old area. Let me use it as village, even though some people are demolishing houses, building new ones, but there is still Nkaliki new extension. The new extension, I'm going to take you guys through it one day. That's where people are now building tall buildings and a lot more beautiful plant trees, and so you can see beautiful streets there too. So just continue enjoying this vlog. See how this road is now. For those of you that are requesting for this vlog, I believe that is because you've not seen this road in a long period of time now, okay? So enjoy the vlogs. And to my new subscribers, welcome, okay? I really appreciate you guys. Please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell beside it, and that's if you've not subscribed. And then please always endeavor to like and share. That is the only way I can grow. Thank you so much.
House of Assembly Junction. Yes. Opposite is House of Assembly. You can see the fence.
and this is where we are going to end this vlog at the Abakaliki local government headquarters. See you guys in our next vlog. I really hope you enjoy this. Bye.
Abakaliki local government headquarters, council headquarters. This is where local government headquarters is.